Ready? So yeah, so this is our manual pour-over coffee machine that uses 100% compostable, responsibly sourced coffee. It's the perfect temperature. There's no plastic, no pods, no waste. Great for people and the planet and the environment. And it tastes great.
No microplastics. And
Yeah,
people can get it on Amazon, right?
On Amazon or on KoolAidCoffee.com.
Where's the name Kool-Aid come from?
It's French for flowing water. And our founder thought it was a great brand. And it really pops when you can see it.
Thank you so much for showing me. Wow. You just put this little water at the top here.
Yeah, you just open it up, you put 1 cup of water in here, fill it up, and then you put your EcoPour filter on the arm, hit power on and brew for a golden cup of coffee.
For a golden cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Thank you.